today, I'm going to be making these really easy Halloween decorations. This is a really good activity to do at home or in the classroom. Here's what you'll need to get started. Empty kitchen or toilet rolls, scissors, googly eyes, black and white paint, thick paper or card, white tissue paper, a pen, and a paintbrush. First up, I'm going to paint one of the rolls white for the ghost. This doesn't need to be perfect as we're going to be covering this with the white tissue paper later. Once that's done, put it aside to dry and do the exact same thing but with black paint. It's a good idea to have some tissues around. I managed to paint over my fingers quite a lot. Next, I drew some bat wings and cut them out of thick white paper. If you have black paper or card, this also works and it's probably better, but I only had white so I just painted over it in black. It's extra important at this step to put some paper down because you're probably going to end up getting paint everywhere, just like I did. Once that's all dry, it's time to start gluing. Take the bat wings and put a drop of PVA on the back. Stick the wings onto the back and let it set. Next, take the googly eyes and stick them on your bat. In theory, these are self-adhesive, but after spending about 1,000 years trying to peel off the back, I gave up and put a bit of PVA on them instead. Now for the ghost, squeeze some PVA onto the roll, then wrap the white tissue paper over. This is the point at which I realised there was way too much tissue paper, so I trimmed it so that it could stand up. Time for the googly eyes. Again, I put PVA on these, but if you have self-adhesive ones and patience, you can just stick them without glue. And that's it! Let us know about your spooky crafts in the comments, and subscribe for more crafts and home or classroom ideas.